So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through factorization method. So here the quadratic equation is a bit different from what we have solved previously. Here there is the square root is present because a, b, c, they're real numbers. So here the equation is a bit different. Now the essence is the same, but the values of a, b and c, they are a bit different. It is given 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. We have to solve it by factorization method. So first we'll write the quadratic equation 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Comparing it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a here is equal to 4 root 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. The product of the two extreme terms, that is a and c, that is equal to 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3, which is equal to 4 into 2, 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, minus 8 into root 3 into 3, that is 3. So minus 8 into 3, that is equal to minus 24. This is the product of the two extreme terms, the coefficients of x square and the constant, that is a and c. Now we have to split the middle term 5x in such a way that the product of the two resultant split terms, that is also equal to minus 24. So 5x we can split it as 8x minus 3x. Okay, 8x minus 3x. 8 into minus 3, that is also equal to minus 24. So now we'll perform the operation, we'll perform the split. That implies 4 root 3x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So here we'll take 4x common, 4x into root 3x plus 2 minus root 3 common into root 3x plus 2, that is equal to 0. Let's check, always check it. So 4x into root 3x, that is 4 root 3x square, alright. 4x into 2, that is plus 8x, it's okay. Then minus root 3 into root 3x, that is minus 3x, it's alright. Minus root 3 into plus 2, that is minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Yes, the factorization is correct. That implies 4x minus root 3 into root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to root 3 by 4 or x is equal to minus 2 by root 3, because here 4x minus root 3 can be 0 or root 3x plus 2, that can be 0. So from this we have got x is equal to root 3 by 4, and from this we have got x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay, so this question was a bit different with the introduction of square root in the values of a, b and c. In a and c here, b was a normal number, so it's a bit different, but we have solved. Okay, so the two values, the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are x is equal to root 3 by 4 or x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay, so here is another question on solving quadratic equations through factorization method. So it is given the quadratic equation is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So we have to solve it by factorization method. So first we'll write the equation root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Comparing it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 8 root 3. Now the product of the two extreme terms a and c, that is equal to root 3 into minus 8 root 3, which is equal to minus 24. Now we have to split the middle term 10 or 10x in such a way that the resultant product of the two split terms, that should be also equal to minus 24. So we can do it as 10x is equal to 12x minus 2x, because 12 into minus 2, that is also equal to minus 24, same. Okay, so we'll perform the split here. So that implies root 3x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So that implies here we'll take sorry, this is okay, yes, root 3. Okay, so how we can do it, root 3x, let's say we take common, yes, root 3x into x plus 4 root 3. Let's check root 3x square, yes, root 3 into 4, yes, 12, yes, minus 2 into x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Yes, minus 2x minus 2 into 4 root 3, that is minus 8 root 3, yes, that is equal to 0. That implies root 3x minus 2 into x plus 4 root 3, that is equal to 0. That implies root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. That implies x can be equal to 2 by root 3 or x can be equal to minus 4 root 3. Okay, x can be equal to 2 by root 3 or x can be equal to minus 4 root 3. Okay, so these are the two roots, possible solutions of the quadratic equation. Again, this equation was involving square root format. So it can be a bit uneasy to get acquainted with these kind of equations at first, but as you solve more and more questions, as we'll do more and more questions related to square root type quadratic equations, you will get used to it. Okay, so this is the thing. So here 2 by root 3 and minus 4 root 3 are the roots, the solutions of the quadratic equation.